It is time again for Microsoft Minutes. Have you ever wanted to rehearse a presentation, but no one was available to give you honest feedback? PowerPoint 365 has an option to rehearse with Coach. Let's check it out. When you are ready to begin rehearsing your presentation, you can select Rehearse with Coach. This feature evaluates your body language using a webcam during your presentation. While rehearsing your presentation, PowerPoint will provide tips and pop-up windows to assist you while presenting. Once you have finished rehearsing, a dashboard full of data will provide you with additional tips on how to improve your presentation. For example, it will provide tips on how fast you are speaking, phrases, or words that were commonly used throughout the presentation, and much more. Rehearse with Coach in PowerPoint 365 can allow you to feel comfortable presenting in your upcoming event. Join us next time on Microsoft Minutes when we explore Translate in Word 365.